Hey everybody, I'm Scott Cornwell, Golf Course Superintendent.
And I'm Bob Pfeffer, Director of Golf here at River Creek. Scott, I do want to take a minute and thank you and the team for everything you guys have done to make me feel welcome. It's been nice to be here. It's obviously been very busy. It's good to get out front and meet the members, but I know some things that are probably high on your radar screen right now, and especially with the volume of play, is ball marks. So I tell you what, why don't we just take a second here and you can show the members the proper way to do it.
Yeah, absolutely. So, number one, first goal is to find your ball mark, locate it. And then the way that the ball came into the green, you want to start in the back, and then you just want to push. You know, we don't want to twist. Okay, and we're just pushing everything back together. Stop it down with your putter or your foot. Smooth it out. And hopefully give a good putting consistency for the rest of the members playing today. So, Bob actually saw some more ball marks back there.
Okay.
If you want to go have a ball?
Okay. I got one.
Cool, thanks. Also, with the upcoming months, you know, with the hot temperatures, the grass is going to need to be cooled off. So, and this is what we consider syringing. And so when you see heads on in the afternoon, they're only going to be on for a couple seconds. Again, it's not to you know, disrupt play or anything, but it's just to keep the grass cooled down. It drops the temperatures by about 5 degrees for about 10 minutes. So if you see the sprinklers on like this, they'll be off. Be patient. So I appreciate it. Welcome to River Creek, Bob.